Today I'm gonna teach you turkey hunting. How to hunt turkey like your own turkey. Step 1. Find any telescope of any kind. You can look through it to find some stuff. Step 2. Use the telescope to find the turkey you want. Step 3. Get a decoy of any kind. Step 4. Get any turkey call of any kind. Step 5. Stand by your decoy and play your turkey call. Step 6. Once you find the turkey that you have found, get a gun of any kind. Step 7. Reload the gun to make sure it is fully functional. Step 8. Make sure you know which one you're shooting, because you might shoot the decoy, which will scare the turkey away, or you might shoot the turkey, which your mission will be complete. Or make sure you shoot that one over there, the real turkey, and then just shoot it. You killed it. Nice job. But if you don't like any of those steps, you could just get one of these. Now this might work, but you might get a little angry and might kill you. So if you don't like that step, then buy the new Secrets of the Turkey Pros book. This teaches you all about turkey hunting. Let me show you. This has got almost anything that you can imagine. Put your freaking pages down. There's almost everything that you could find. The location of where a specific turkey is, how you can hunt it, and so much more. It's all in the Secrets of the Turkey Pros book. Buy it now in the library. Hey guys, Silly TV Adventures here, and I just want to say, check out Turkey Game on my Scratch account. You'll find it there, on my YouTube profile, and you will get to play this game that I've made, Turkey Game. It's on the featured project, and if you don't see it on the featured project anymore, then you could probably just find it somewhere. But anyway, that's basically all for today. Hope you have a happy new year, and see you guys in another video.